Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So, as you'll remember, a couple of weeks ago I made this little tomahawk belt axe. Now, wasn't quite happy with the eye. The wall is a little bit thick. It's much thicker than I'd like. So, I've reduced the set down area and we're going to have another go. Now, I think this will be about right. So I've got about 7 centimetres or just a shade under 3 inches. So 2 3/4. I've got 1 piece of wrought iron, 3 pieces of mild steel. I'll work one of the mild steel one down first because they're roughly, I mean, the mild steel is a little bit narrower, but it is commensurately thicker and more uniform, so should work out about the same. So I'll work one of these down first, see how it goes, see how I like it. If I like it, I'll do the other 3. These will end up on my Etsy, and we'll run from there. Now, a little bit about this drift. This drift will actually allow me to also do Viking style Dane axes and that sort of thing. So I had a more or less round but slightly oblate hole eye. And that's what I've been looking for. So let's get the forge lit. Get things warmed up in this place so I can get out of this jumper, and we'll see how we go. So for this one, we are just looking at getting that drawn out as quickly as we can. So I'm going to use the press. The forge is nearly up to full temperature, so once that's drawn out, we should be right to start welding. That's out to length. But it's even thicker than I wanted. I wanted it about 6 millimeters. I'm still at 10. I reckon we'll make this one the way it is, but I think we can go with 6. I'm going to flatten the inside of the eye a bit. Just so that the inside is nice and smooth. Now for flux today, I'm using approximately 30% borax with the balance being wood ash. Why? Because I can. And it actually works and it saves me a little bit of money. So benefits of wood ash in your flux: it elevates the working range. So borax tends to come and decompose at around about welding point, which is that white smoke you see. The wood ash increases the temperature of that, so you get less sodium oxides that you're inhaling, which is A, a good thing, and B, it extends the working life of the flux, because it's the sodium that breaks down the metal oxides and makes it more fluid and runny and able to be squished out. So, and wood ash, if you've got a fireplace, is free. So that's the reasoning. Let's get it warm again. Now, because I want that squish very particularly spotted, I'm going to use this device. Get those to line up as well as I can. As it gives us a nice, well, more or less uniform. Let's try something I haven't done before, which is to set the weld right at the eye junction using the press. Oops, that got worse. Oh well. I suspect I'm going to be fighting with cracks for the rest of this project. Okay, so I didn't expect it to do that. That is very straight. Yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, the only thing I'm not happy with is the bastard treatment that I gave to the blade. Oh well. Alright, let's not find it. Pretty good. Hey, I have to lay out everything. Hopefully that reads 19. Alright, so as you all saw, this took a ducking in my quench tank at welding heat, way too hot, and when I was not even close to finished with it. So I'm going to put this one up on the wall. It has a couple of little suspect areas which I think may be cracks, may not be cracks, I don't know. If they are cracks, guaranteed there'll be more. So this axe goes on the wall, doesn't get a handle. It is what it is. Sometimes it happens. I've refined how much set down I need, and it turns out it's approximately 6.5 centimeters, 7 centimeters worth that I need to set down to half the material thickness for the eye. So going forwards, I should be right to start using this drift to start making some axes for the Etsy. So, if you can hear me over the circling aircraft, if you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. When you do, don't forget, ring the notification bell. So get out to your shop, have some fun, practice a little bit, but above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.